Hazel, watch.
Go for it, Tommy.
Go for it, Tommy. Oh, flight attempt number 3.
What's for my nose?
A tissue.
Okay.
No break.
Don't use the thing.
Is it stuck in grass or something? Because it seems like it's just not caught.
Well, it's the nose. It might move in. Let's see.
Nate, hold it for him, and then he could lunge.
Made the wing. Tommy, put it here off the table. It's flat on the table.
That might be a good idea.
Hold on. You want this?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna bust the shit out of it.
Adriel.
Did you just say it?
Leap!
Don't you say anything that
Don't repeat what Tommy says, Adriel.
God damn it!
Don't you say what you